All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, out here in Fremont, Ohio again, 34 by 54 post frame pole barn building here. Now I want to show you in this video, I want to show you the finished product of this. I was just out here a couple of days ago, and you probably saw it in process, but I want to show you it's finished up. Actually, the overhead doors, what we do is we subcontract the overhead doors, and the overhead door guys will come out and install that. But I want to show you here, 40-year guaranteed metal here. You can see a different brown on brown here, so kind of a caramel brown and then more of a darker brown right there, so a different look. All right, you're thinking, boy, can I make that work and make that look well. But a nice white accent overhead door trim right here, as you can see, and then kind of a privacy steel jam entry door right there. All right, so what we did here, we took a 34 by 54 again pole barn post frame building. He had an existing concrete pad, as you can see. He's got the wiring set up, getting that set up himself here. But you can see what we did. We went around that with 3-ply laminated columns. And again, this is Ohio, so the frost line, we dig down 54 inches. We set it on a 12-inch cookie. All right, and then we put the uplifts, treated uplifts at the bottom there. But a 3-ply laminated column, again, 20-30% stronger than a 6x6. But you can see a nice clean building, 14 feet tall. You see what we did, you probably can see those pink baffles up there. So we installed the pink baffles, and then what we did, we blowed in R25 cellulose insulation. Again, R25 cellulose insulation right there. And we topped that off with, not topped it off, but we put on a metal liner panel. So sharp building, again, the house wrap, again, a couple functions. Keep the wind, keep the moisture out. Again, not much of a cost. Definitely recommend have that on your building. Again, this building, a 2x6 sidewall girt, sidewall purlin here. Again, 5.5 inches of coverage area. So you can see what's going on there, how we went around that. Then he's obviously gonna have to come back in, and we talked about he's gonna put rebar, into this. That way it doesn't get whopper jawed and so forth, and then put some fill in there, and that way you got your concrete pad. Again, I'm not a mason by any stretch of the imagination, but that's what's going to get done there. A concrete pad, or put some rebar on that concrete pad, and then that makes sure. But also, hey, I want to show you here, check this out. Look at the coil stock on that. See how good that makes the building look? The coil stock right there, it really sharpens up the building. All right. And that's an extra feature that we do that probably in a lot of buildings you don't see. But some of the buildings that we do have it, and some of the buildings they don't want to choose that. But a nice added touch, gives a little bit more class to the building. But 34 by 54, and right there you see. So, and that's the color, that's the setup right there. So brown on brown, and that's what you can make happen. So a couple entry doors, gonna be a nice storage shop for him year round here. So like the video, boom, give it a thumbs up, comments, leave it in the comment section. Till next video, keep it locked and loaded right here at Attica Lumber, atticalumber.com, and Attica Lumber since 1925.